Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a school computer. School networks typically implement strict filters to prevent access to gaming sites and applications like Roblox. These measures are in place to ensure students remain focused on their studies. It's important to understand that attempting to bypass these restrictions might have consequences, so always be aware of your school's rules. One common approach involves using virtual private networks, or VPN, and proxy servers. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and masks your IP address, making it appear as if you're browsing from a different location. Proxies work similarly by routing your connection through an external server. However, many school systems are designed to detect and block these services, especially the free ones, which often come with their own set of limitations. Another strategy is exploring cloud gaming services. These platforms run the game on powerful remote servers and stream the video directly to your school computer, bypassing local installation requirements. Additionally, some websites might host browser-based versions of Roblox, or you could look into portable application versions that don't require administrative privileges to install. Always ensure these alternatives are legitimate and safe. Before attempting any of these methods, it's crucial to understand the potential risks. Bypassing school network security can lead to serious disciplinary consequences, including loss of computer privileges or even suspension. Furthermore, downloading or using unverified software could compromise your computer's security. It's always best to prioritize your schoolwork and enjoy Roblox on your personal devices outside of school hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.